How to connect YouTube to your TV by scanning a QR code. Here's a simple guide to connecting your YouTube account to your TV using a QR code. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your TV. Turn on your TV and launch the YouTube app. Navigate to the Sign In or Link with TV Code option, usually in the Settings or Sidebar menu. Step 2. Select Sign In with QR code. On your TV screen, you'll see a QR code displayed along with instructions. Step 3. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone. On your smartphone, open the YouTube app. Ensure you're signed in with the same account you want to connect to your TV. Step 4. Scan the QR code. Use your smartphone camera or a QR code scanner app to scan the code displayed on your TV screen. A prompt will appear asking if you want to link your YouTube account to the TV. Step 5. Confirm the connection. Tap the prompt on your smartphone to confirm linking your YouTube account to the TV. The YouTube app on your TV will refresh and your account will now be connected. Step 6. Start watching. Browse and play videos on your TV using your linked YouTube account. You can also control playback directly from your smartphone if both devices are connected. If the QR code method doesn't work, you can alternatively use a TV code provided in the YouTube app settings on your TV.